In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Nordvpn step by step, focusing on their monthly payment option. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Nordvpn website and head over to their pricing page. Here you'll find different subscription options, but for our purposes, you'll need to select the 1-month plan. This choice allows you to pay each month rather than paying a larger upfront cost for a longer subscription period. Now, the monthly pricing may vary depending on the plan tier you choose. To give you a better idea, the basic plan comes in at around $12.99 per month. The Plus plan is slightly higher at approximately $13.99 per month, while the Complete plan is the most comprehensive option, available for about $14.99 monthly. Take a moment to consider what each tier offers and select the one that best meets your needs. Once you've decided on a plan, it's time to enter your email address. This step is essential, as your email will become your Nord account login and will be the medium through which you receive your activation confirmation, so make sure to double check that you've typed it correctly. Next, let's move on to payment methods. Nordvpn offers a variety of ways to pay, ensuring flexibility regardless of your preferred method. The widely accepted options include credit or debit cards, such as Visa, MasterCard and American Express. If you'd like to use PayPal, that option is available too, and rest assured there are no extra fees involved. Keep in mind, however, that using PayPal usually means auto-renewal will be enabled. Beyond these, Google Pay is another convenient choice, and for those who prefer more modern payment methods, Nordvpn even supports cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Depending on your region, other options might be available, including Sofort, prepaid cards, and platforms like Amazon Pay and iTunes. In some areas, you might find options like GrabPay or UnionPay as well. Any of these can be a good fit depending on what's easiest for you. After choosing your payment method, you will need to fill in your credentials. This includes your card or wallet information, billing address, and any necessary security information. Once all these details are entered, you simply click Complete Purchase. Make sure to wait for a confirmation message indicating your purchase was successful. At this point, it's crucial to check your email. You'll be looking for 3 important pieces of information: a purchase confirmation, an activation link, and a set of instructions on how to download and install the Nordvpn app on your device. Following these steps will get you set up with a Nordvpn subscription on a monthly payment plan, providing you with the online privacy and security you need. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.